Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Akif and look, the hills after the hailstorm. The plants are already covered with ice. Look, it's already frozen. It looks like the sand is stuck. And now come, I'll show you here water. There, it's like winter season. Yeah, it's covered with snow. Come guys, let's walk there too. And we don't have even one. Look here. Oh my God. Look, the road there is full of ice. There's a cat. Look, ice.
Video upload.
Now let's go look at the car. Let's go look at the car, guys. I hope the car is wide. Oh my God, look at the car. It's broken. Look. Let's look at that car. Yes, it looks like flood. This man throwing ice from the terrace and throwing it down from that roof. There are lots of ice.
कौन सा खाना उधर पूरी वीडियो पड़ी हुई है इससे ज्यादा